Hi, this is Eric from LD Products, and I'm here today to show you how to replace an ink cartridge in your Epson Workforce WF-2860 printer. A brand new Epson Workforce WF-2860 includes the Epson 202 black, cyan, magenta, and yellow setup cartridges. Cartridges are sold in a standard yield and a high yield or XL size, which offers more ink. You'll need to have all the cartridges installed in your printer in order for it to function properly. Alright, let's start with the original Epson 202 Cyan cartridge. So let me take it out of the box here. And I actually like to prep new cartridges over a trash can, so let me grab a trash can really quick. Okay, so we've got our Epson cartridge here out of the box. Let's take it out of the packaging. Okay, and then on the side here you'll notice a small yellow piece of tape. You're going to want to remove this piece of tape before you install it into the printer. This tape is actually covering the vent hole on the cartridge, so let's take that off. This comes off just like that. And while you're doing this, be careful and try to avoid touching the gold contact chip here. This chip is very sensitive. The cartridge may not read properly if residue or fingerprint oil gets on those contact points. So let's install the Cyan cartridge. So if you've got the display screen pulled up already, you can start the replacement process by selecting the Replace Cartridges button here. It's going to ask you if you want to replace the ink cartridges. We're going to hit Next. We'll hit Start to begin the process. We're going to open the scanner unit to access the cartridges here. And we're going to wait for those cartridges to center, which they have. And then to remove the Cyan cartridge, you just gently pull on the back tab here and just wiggle it out of the printer like that. We've got the brand new cartridge, so we're just going to install that back into the same slot. It'll slide right in, and you'll hear a click. Close up the printer. We'll hit Complete. And we're all set. We're good to print. Be sure to check out our other videos for the Epson 202 ink cartridge series. If you're looking to save money, click the link in the description below to purchase a compatible version of this cartridge series from ldproducts.com. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and be sure to subscribe. Shop with LD Products for all your ink and office supply needs. We are your ink and toner experts.